There are different methods for the solution of two linear equations with two variables. The first method to solve to get the unknown number x and y is graphical method. Second one, it will be the substitution method. Then we will learn different methods, and in this chapter, whole chapter is divided into two parts. First, it is numerical, and second, it will be the word problems. If you proper understand about the numericals, then only you should go to the word problems. So here I will explain entire methods first with numerical method and then with the word problems. But before we start the sums, a few theories must be understood. Otherwise, every question makes some difficulty for you. I am explaining theory on the board, and this clip, this video, repeatedly watch and copy all the things in your notebook, friends. Otherwise, you will definitely forget about this theory, and finally you will be in the big trouble. First, the most theory is two equations, and they are a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now condition number 1, the equations have unique, matlab only one solution. The equations have unique matlab one solution. For that, a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Now friends, mind well, from here the main portion starts. What do we mean by a1? a1, b1, c1. a1 means coefficient of x in equation 1. b1 means coefficient of y in equation 1. c1 means constant term in equation 1. a2 means coefficient of x in equation 2. b2 means coefficient of y in equation 2. c2 means constant term in equation 2. So, condition is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. This condition is also written or cross multiply. a1 b2 is not equal to a2 b1, or a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is not equal to 0. These are three conditions for a unique solution, and if we draw the graphs of these two equations, then both the graphs meet at one point, and if one solution or more than one solution, we can say that the equations are consistent. Is it clear?